Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Black Truffle Mushroom in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. To find this mushroom, you're going to go to the Forest Island right here. You can go to the Deer Tower first, and then from this Deer Tower, you're going to go to this way. Okay, and this is how the black truffle mushroom looks like. It's like a black rock, and you can collect the black truffle mushroom. Okay, and it will respawn after 15 minutes, guys. So it's quite rare here, and there are only 5 spots of the black truffle mushrooms, and you can search the mushroom at this island, the Forest Island. Okay, I've already collected. And okay guys, that's how you can find the black truffle mushroom in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!